So I'm Nando Reynolds, and
I'm Shauna Masrala.
we're going to show you some of the beginning elements of doing contact improvisation. And contact improvisation is based on a point of contact, and so that's where we start. So if we establish a point of contact, so we've got that point, and the pressure that we have there is negotiated. We're doing what we like. Feel pretty good to you? Okay. Okay. And if we didn't like the pressure, if I was pushing on you too hard, you could just move away. And if you were pushing on me too hard, I could just move away. And so we can maintain the kind of pressure that we like just by moving away or moving towards. Okay? And with this point, there are a couple of things that we can do. One is that we can roll the point where we're maintaining contact, but the point of contact, we're rolling it across our bodies. So that's rolling the point. The other thing that we can do is we can replace the point. So when we replace, we actually take another body part and just put it in with the same amount of pressure in order to just move around more freely. So as long as we maintain the same amount of pressure, replacing the point really doesn't matter very much. And in fact, really when we're rolling the point, we're replacing. The other thing that we can do is we can slide. And so I can slide. The disadvantage of sliding is that it reduces the amount of information we have about each other because we're slipping on each other. But it's useful as something to do. So when I can, I'm going to roll the point, I'm going to replace the point, and if I need to, I'm going to slide. Okay? Anything else you want to say about that?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you said it all.